Hey guys, it's summer and it's time to get out the blender and make some smoothies. Today we'll be making strawberry banana smoothie. Let's begin. You're going to need 1 cup of ice, then you're going to blend everything very well for about 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, go ahead and grab your glass and pour your smoothie into it, and you are ready to drink it. Or, if you're going to give it to a friend, go ahead and add a strawberry to the top so it looks more appealing to drink. Let me know what you want to see next time for a smoothie. Thanks for watching. Bye guys! Hi guys, today we will be making pineapple mango smoothie. Let's begin. You're going to need 1 cup of ice, half a cup of pineapple chunks, 1 whole mango, half a cup of water, and half a cup of evaporated milk. If you don't have evaporated milk, feel free to use soy milk, almond milk, rice milk, or even cow's milk. Then add 1/8 cup of brown sugar, or whatever choice of sugar that you would like. Then go ahead and blend everything for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then pour your pineapple mango smoothie into a cup. Yummy in my tummy. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned next time.
A summer's day we'll take a shower. I'm casting rainbows on the lawn. A little maze to tease the flowers. Dancing petals in full bloom. And it's beautiful today. And it's beautiful today. And it's beautiful today. And it's beautiful today. Maybe I will join the flowers. Cast my rainbows up on high. Share the sun with all my